Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 holding screws on the airbox flange. Then separate it. Take out the filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the filter back in place. Put the flange back on. Now screw the 3 screws back in place using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Operation completed.